Hello, this is Brian Resney, President of Resney Wealth Management. I'm bringing you an important update about the economy and the investment markets so you can understand what we see in the global landscape. We're seeing some volatility in the last couple weeks. Markets are generally speaking down 3-4%. Does this upset us? We never like to see things go down, but we realize as an investment management firm, nothing goes straight up in a straight line. We're getting a little bit of profit taking, kind of the end of summer, quiet session, Yom Kippur and things of that nature that basically we're trading's a pretty light stance. So sometimes you might get a little bit of a sell-off. Do I think this is going to explode into something more major? I really don't think so. In fact, if I look at this morning and I look at the U.S. economy primarily, the U.S. economy is actually doing quite well. We had second quarter final revisions for GDP, came in at 4.6%, the best we've seen in over 3 years. It's expected the third and fourth quarter this year to have GDP growth probably in a 3 to 3.5% range plus. I believe the U.S. economy is doing quite well and we're on a good positive trend. We're not seeing any recessionary indicators in our sights currently, but we are seeing this short-term volatility. Is it because of Russia and Crimea? Is it because of what's going on in the Middle East? It could be some of that, but the key is, are the economies around the world generally growing? Are there accommodative reasons why the markets are doing well and interest rates, generally speaking, are at the low point? Yes. So at the end of the day, we look at recessionary indicators. We're not seeing any. We look at the unemployment numbers getting better. We're looking at GDP growth improving. Numbers that came out just this morning on income and spending actually good. So what we're seeing is people are actually doing a little bit better at the home front and businesses are doing well. This bodes well on the longer term for higher asset prices in our opinion. Again, short-term bouts of volatility are normal. They're going to be expected. We expect them. We never like them, but we realize sometimes you need that pause that refreshes so that we have an opportunity to go to new high ground. If you're a client of our firm, give us a call if you have any questions. If you're not a client, call us, become a client. You'll be glad you did. Make sure you have yourself a safe and profitable day.